Hello guys. Welcome to Dr. Fit Facts. Today we are focusing on the perfect workout for you to burn those unwanted belly fat in just 7 days. Total time of all exercises are of 6 to 10 minutes in a day, and with rests after exercises it will go 20 to 30 minutes. So half-hour daily will become a great decision for your health betterment. First one is jumping jacks. Do this to 45 seconds. Second is mountain climbers. Do this to 45 seconds. Third is elbow plank. Stayed in straight position and do this to 45 seconds. Fourth is flutter kicks. Do this to 45 seconds. Fifth is high knees. Do this to 45 seconds. Sixth is Russian twists. Do this to 45 seconds. Seventh is leg tuck-ins. Do this to 45 seconds. If you think these guidelines are fruitful for you, so please encourage Dr. Fit Facts by like, subscribe and share this channel. And finally 8-1 is bicycle crunches. Do this to 45 seconds. So, we have completed all the exercises. Repeat these exercises on daily basis till 7 days. Share the result with us, and anything that you want to ask from us you can mention in comment box. Before ending this video, please like, subscribe and share Dr. Fit Facts with your loved ones. Thanks you. Hello guys. Welcome to Dr. Fit Facts. Today